Good morning, guys. Happy Thanksgiving from New Age Wall Street and me, Cruz, and the rest of the guys. I have so much to be thankful for, you guys. You know, this year has been roller coaster up and down, and when you're grateful and you have, so much going for you, you just want to share the love and want to go ahead and give back, and you want to give as much as you've been given. You know what I mean? And I really don't get, if these successful traders in other rooms are so successful, why they charge so much and they're having sales to get more members for their rooms. I don't get it. Like I've always said, I make money as a trader. I make money trading. I barely break even as far as the actual, room, as far as the marketing, as far as, the webpage design, everything, in my room. So here's what we're going to go ahead and do, guys. As far as Thanksgiving, instead of things buying in other rooms for sales, I'm giving everyone a free momentum indicator for small caps. It is based on an algorithm that was used on a small cap, and one of my guys actually used it yesterday to actually bank over 5 figures on HEPA. So my gift to you guys, there's no kick, no nothing. Just click the link, put in your email, and then it'll have a download. You just download it, and then you put it into the thing script. You'll be good to go. No gimmicks or anything like that. Just my way to show appreciation and love, because I woke up so feeling so grateful and loved in it, everything from the community. I want to go ahead and just provide that value and give it right back. So free momentum indicator that we custom coded, everyone could go ahead and take advantage of, and all you have to do is go ahead and click the link, download it, and I'm only gonna go ahead and do about 50 of these guys, so you have to get them while they are available. Okay. All right, guys. See you later, guys. Have a happy Thanksgiving. Later.